Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got a 2017 Alpine White BMW X1 1.5 litres 18i Sport DCT. It's at 40,731 miles, petrol, automatic, one previous owner with a full service history. It's got 18-inch alloys, it's also got folding mirrors, heating protection glazing with a green tint, heated windscreen with washer jets, and it's also got roof rails with a high gloss black finish. It's also got a shark fin aerial. Just show you inside. Got a leather interior. BMW Navigation system, Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see on the steering wheel. It's got a cruise control with a brake function. It's got electronic handbrake. There's the control. I'll show you the service history as well on the vehicle. As you can see, everything's okay. Service history. There you go, full service history from BMW. Air conditioning, tyre monitoring, pressure as well. Overall great condition. It's an automatic, as you can see. It's an armrest with storage. Just show you in the back. Got privacy glass as well. As you can see, plenty of leg space in there. Leather interior with a red stitching, 2 cup holders as well. Great condition. Air conditioning in the back. Just show you. There you go. Well looked after, as you can see. Plenty of space. Extra storage space as well underneath. It's got a powered tailgate. There you go. Plenty of room. There you go. There's a final look at the car as well. If you need any more further photos or information about the vehicle, or information about part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.